forest. The bear's coming. Quick, to the forest. We're going to catch the big one. What do we do today? We're not scared. What do we do today? We're not scared. We'll do it on the beaker. Once upon a time, we're not scared. Uh-oh, the bear coming. Uh-oh, the baby's frightened. Uh-oh, the bear coming. Back to the forest. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Uh-oh, the bear coming in the forest. Uh-oh, we're in